Hey guys, welcome back to the channel one more time. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. It is pretty late at night, but I thought I can start doing some of these videos because I have like quite a few people who are new to the channel. Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in. So I'm going to be walking you guys through some of the deals that I put together that you can take advantage of this week. All right, so let's talk about boosters. So I've got two boosters to work with on this particular account. One of them is a spend 20 to earn back 5. Now remember, whenever you're using digital boosters, you want to be sure that you are hitting your threshold amount. And if you are building up your transactions to use Walgreens Cash, you want to make sure that you are after Walgreens Cash, you're still over your threshold amount. If that's a little bit confusing to you, please let me know. I'll make something dedicated to it as well. And then the other one is earn Walgreens Cash when you buy 2 items. So notice the difference between these two boosters. So one is a spend deal, one is a buy deal. So buy deal, you can always use Walgreens Cash with no issues, but spend deals, you have to make sure you're hitting your threshold. All right, so the first deal that I've got is going to be on the Bounty and the Charming. So there's 2 ways I'm going to share that you can do this particular promotion. Um, so if you buy 4 of the Bounty, they are $5.49. And then when you buy 4, you're going to earn back $5 in register rewards. So if you look below, you'll see the coupons. There is a 50-cent coupon as well as a dollar coupon. So if you did just the Bounty, which is great, it'll total you $21.96, and then we have $1.50 in digital coupons. You'll pay $20.46, and then you're going to receive $5 for buying 4 of the participating products. And then we do have a nice rebate over on Ibotta that's going to allow you to get back $4 back. On Ibotta, I did this deal this week and it did reset for me. I'm planning on doing it again on this upcoming week. It is a limit of 1. So even though you're buying 4 of the Bounty, you are only going to get the $4 one time. That's going to make your final cost $11.46 or $2.86 for 4 of the Bounty products. Now, if you wanted to mix that and get 2 Bounty and 2 Charmaine, just so that you can get a little bit more savings out of pocket, just $1.50 more really. So if you buy 2 of the Bounty, 2 of the Charmaine, it's gonna come out to again $21.96. From there, you're gonna have $3 of digital coupons coming off. So 2 50-cent coupon, each one of the Charmaine, each one of the Bounty, and then you have 2 $1 coupons coming off of the Charmin as well as the Bounty. So you'll see both of those coupons, well, all 4 of those coupons there as well. And then you're gonna pay $18.96. You're gonna receive back $5 in register rewards for buying 4 of those products. Submit back to Ibotta, you're gonna gain $4 from Ibotta. That's gonna make your final cost $9.96 or $2.49. So which is just a little bit of a savings there, but either way, you can pick and choose however you want to do this deal. Typically when I do this, I like to not mix it up. So I'll get 4 of the Bounty by itself and then 4 of the Charming by itself. But that's up to you how you want to do it or based on your needs. All right, so Dove is in promotion, back on promotion this week. They are going to be $7 for the body wash. There is a separate promotion for the bars of soap. They are $7, but for now we'll just focus on the body wash because that's what I see coupons for. Not sure if the men's are included because I did not see a coupon for the men's. I'm sorry, I couldn't open up the ad just to see if the men's were included, but there is $4 coupons for the men as well as the women. So if you buy 2 of the Dove's women, and then these $3 coupons are 2 different ones. So you can get the scrub and you can also get one of the body washes. So if you were able to find both of those products, you'll get $6 of coupons coming off. you're gonna get back pay $8 and then get back $3 for buying two of those. Final cost will be $5 or $2.50 each. If you're not able to find a body scrub, as it is always hard for me to locate that product, so you'll just pay $3 more, which is, it'll still be, I believe, under $3 for each one, which will be okay. And always check Shop Me Alexa, the Alexa app. Yeah, I think those two you can always get rebates back as well. All right, this is not the best deal this week. It was a better week deal about 2 weeks ago, but if you're trying to get Walgreens cash, I'm always doing a balance of a good mixture between register rewards as well as Walgreens cash. So this would be a good product to throw in if you're building up your transaction and if you need them as well. You can buy one of the Gillette Fusion for $12 and one of the Venus for $10. So that's going to take you to $22. And then you have $3 digital coupons for each one of those. Then that'll lead you to pay $16. You're going to get back $8 in Walgreens cash. Final cost is going to be $8 or $4 each. Again, not the best deal, but it's a great item to throw into a spin deal. All right, this is a pretty good deal. I tried doing this deal this week. I actually didn't pay much attention to my receipt to see what came off and how much of it. But if you buy three of the Gillette, they are on promotion, buy one get one half off. And when you buy three, you're gonna get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So the cheapest Gillette that they have is the $3. Is the $4.99. I'm sorry, not Gillette. Bic product is the $4.99 one, and then if you buy three, so you're paying half price for one and then full price for the other. So three of them should total you $12.47. Also, that $4.99 product is very hard to find. I feel like they're always go so quickly. So most likely it's gonna end up being one of those 5 or 6 or even $7 product that you may find, but I was able to locate this online. All right, so with that, you're gonna have a $3 coupon coming off, and then we have the buy two, get one free. Now, when you look at the details of that coupon, it actually shows that it takes up to $3.79, which is why I'm putting $3.79. The final cost would be $5.68, and you'll get back $3 in Walgreens cash. Final cost is going to be $2.68 or 89 cents for each one of those, which is a really, really good deal. All right, so the Nivea has been the actuality for this week. But you can actually still do this week because this deal goes to the end of the month, I believe. But it's on Nivea, Eucerin, and also the Gold Bond, but that's a different promotion on its own as well. So you buy two of the Niveas. The cheapest one I've been able to locate are $10.99. So buy two at $21.98. We do have $2 inserts that we got on the 7th. You can use two of those. If you don't have inserts, there's a $2 digital coupon that you can use, and I believe there is a rebate back on the Shop Me app where you can submit your receipt and then you'll get reimbursed for those $2 as well. And then you're gonna get back a total of $15. So $10 for spending 20 on the promotion itself, and then $5 for buying two of oh, I'm sorry, I should say $5, but $5 for buying two of the beauty items. Then your final cost is gonna be $2.98 or $1.49. All right, so this is the last slide I'll share with you guys on these promotions that has been happening for the whole month on Tide, Bounce, Gain, and also the Unstoppable products. So the breakdown that I have is for the Gain, because I've already done this with my Tide coupons. But if you buy four, they are $5.49. And then once you buy four, you're gonna get back $5 in register reward. So four of them is gonna take you to $4.96, We do have $5 in coupons overall, so $1.50 for each of the pods, as well as the laundry detergent, and then $1 for the softener, $1 for the fabric enhancer as well. So that's $5 right there. And then you'll pay $16.96, and then you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. Unfortunately, it says free, but your cost is not gonna be free. It'll be $11.96 or $2.99 each. So these are the deals that I'm planning on doing. Of course, things always come up at the Walgreens, and it's always great for us to take advantage of those. And just announcements and updates. If you guys are newer to my channel, you probably don't know this, but I actually used to do like couponing workshops because people would ask me, this is before I actually did YouTube and all of that, kind of things like that. So I've had quite a few newer subscribers, and of course, like family members and friends are typically asking me. So I'm working on well, enhancing the workshop that I have for beginners. If that's something that you guys are interested in, let me know. I'll definitely be sure to put together like a landing page where you can sign up, and I'll send that information over to you as well. And definitely don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share with someone who might need it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.